Hey there, it's Evelyn Cucciara of the Toy Tamer. I know you're used to seeing me running around a little faster than this in my before and after videos of playrooms, but I wanted to take a moment and explain to you the science behind toy taming, why it works, and why you absolutely positively need this in your life. So playrooms have become an extremely stressful room in the home. Parents want the space to be neat and clean. Your kids just want to have fun there, and they have zero motivation to clean it up, no matter how many times you ask them. As a result, you're stressed from either yelling at the kids to clean up or even worse, taking over the cleanup job yourself. So picture this instead, a clean, neat playroom that your kids happily clean up, that they love to clean up. So much so that a customer recently sent me a home video of something she secretly shot that she used to think was as unbelievable as Bigfoot or the Loch Ness Monster. The video was of her kids, ages 2 and 4, happily cleaning up the playroom, helping each other clean up the playroom, and singing while they put the toys away. I know, sounds like the impossible dream, right? But nope, it's reality once the space is set up the right way. And that's what we do at the Toy Tamer. We come into your home, put the right structure and the right system so that your kids are in charge of cleaning up. The result is a clean playroom all the time and empowered children, which means less meltdowns, less temper tantrums. But there's an even better reason to organize your playroom, a more far-reaching one. I'm sure you've noticed that there's been a change in the past decade. We as parents are doing way too much for our kids, so our time is short and our stress is really high. And more importantly, we're turning out kids who are unprepared for life. They literally cannot do anything for themselves because they are so used to an adult doing things for them. The Toy Tamer changes that outcome, starting in the playroom with Peppa Pig and Lego blocks. We all know that disorganized surroundings produce disorganized kids, which grow into disorganized adults. But it does not have to be that way. An organized playroom is the best start you can give your kids for the rest of their life. However, in order for this all to work, for toy taming to work, you need to do what I call the SANE method of organizing, S-A-N-E. S stands for sort. You need to get rid of the toys that are broken and the toys they've outgrown. A stands for arrange. You need the right shelving units and the right bins. It needs to be easier for them to get the toys It needs to be easier for them to put the toys away than it is for them to take the toys out. When they want the toy, they are motivated. When it's time to put the toy away, they are not motivated. N stands for name. You need the right label, and the label needs to be in the right place. And E stands for everyone. You need to involve everyone with some sort of catalyst that signifies it's time to start the cleanup. You yelling at them is not that catalyst. So here at the Toy Tamer, we create that perfect playroom for you. It empowers your kids to clean up through the process of fun and immediate gratification, because there is no better motivator than immediate gratification. I don't care how old you are, it works. And toy taming is all based in the science of behavior modification, so it is proven to work. Once the playroom is set up the right way, your kids take over the chore, they take pride in the result and prepare themselves for life, all at the same time. And did I mention that we do this entire playroom transformation in one day? Yep, all it takes is one day, and your playroom problems, your playroom stresses, you screaming at your kids, you cleaning up the playroom, all of that is gone forever. Think about this. If your playroom is driving you crazy right now, imagine what it's doing to your child's future. But if you want to change that and get your kids so they're ready for their future, get them organized, all you need is one call or one email to the Toy Tamer. That's me. I'm Evelyn, and I can be reached at evelyn@thetoytamer.com. So long. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help. I love working with children. Talk to you later. Bye.